omwe mu bari kuteekateekwaho kuba bibire by'omu ebi yahereze kukwatwa kuhweraho poliisi omu kukyondooza.
We trade, actually trade is carried out between Congo and Uganda. So all lorries that go across to Congo pass along this bridge here. So when this bridge is being damaged like this, then it is affecting the trade around here. It's going to stagnate.
It's affected the business because it is becoming very hard now for the people to cross to that end. Heavy trucks, they are no longer crossing because of the area whereby the bend has emerged in the road. So it is becoming very hard for the people to cross.
Godfrey Kabyanga, Minisita wa Kanyabwenge hamwe no kuhabura ihanga ajumirire ekikorwa eki kandi yashaba abebembezi okubaha bujoramisho.
These are the biggest problems which we are seeing here. And this is not just theft, it is economic sabotage. Because once this bridge is damaged, there are no vehicles that will cross to Congo. There are no vehicles that will cross to Congo. And now the diversion, the bridge is so weak, it cannot accommodate heavy loads.